With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. A ball is dropped from a height. If it takes 0.2 seconds to cross last 6 meter before hitting the ground, find the height from which it was dropped. Okay, so let's take it was dropped from some height. Let's suppose this, and it took 0.2 seconds to travel 6 meter, right? So you can see the total height here will be this whole, and we want this. Simple. So if I see here, if the ball was dropped from here with some zero velocity, after traveling through h1 height, it will have some velocity, right? And it took 0.2 seconds to travel the last 6 meter, right? So this is the question. So let us first find out the velocity when it travels through h1 height, right? And this is h2, and the total height is h1 plus h2, which we want in the question, right? So let us first find out the velocity at this point. Since the distance level is 6 meter is given, time is given, right? So let us first find out the velocity at this point in terms of h1. So I will write third equation of motion to find out the velocity after traveling h1 is, so here I am taking the downward direction as positive, right? Okay, so I will write 2g h1. So it will have a velocity of, so here I can write v velocity is this. Now it is given in the question it takes 0.2 seconds to travel this 6 meter, right? Okay, so we can write the second equation of motion, right, to get this h1, right? So I will write s is equals to ut plus half at square. Now you can see we know the acceleration, we know the time, we know the initial velocity for this 6 meter displacement, right? So we can just put the values here. So the displacement here is 6 meter, you can see already, and initial velocity is under root 2g h1, and the time taken by the to travel this 6 meter distance is 0.2. So this is 0.2. Yeah, so this is the ut. Now g is minus 10 by 2. 0.2 square is 0.04. This. So this will get cancelled out by this. Now you can further solve it. So if I send this expression here, so I will get 6. So you can see this is 0.02 into 10. So it will be 0.2 is equals to under root of 2gh1 by 5. Here the displacement is in downward direction, so negative sign will be here. So I will write minus 5.8 into 5 is equals to under root 2gh1. Simple. Now you can square both sides. So after squaring, you can see this term is 5.8 into 5. So this will be 29. So I will make 29 into 29 is equals to 2gh1, right? Now you can just divide by 2g on both sides to get the h1 value, right? So I will write h1 is equals to by 20, and it will be approximately 42 meter. Now we want capital H this, right? So the capital H is h1 plus h2, and h1 here we calculated is 42 and h2 is 6 meter, right? So just add the two. answer. Simple. Now you can see the question again. This was our question. We wanted to find out the height from which it was dropped. So you can see the height is capital H, which is h1 plus h2, and h2 here is 6 meter, and we found the h1 is 42, and we just added the 2 and we got 48 meter is the height from which it was dropped. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.